Assalamu alaikum, sisters. I am not a scholar. I am not a professional. I am not here to preach. But I make this content to challenge and encourage all my sisters out there who is working abroad like me, who is working away from the families. Sisters, I'm not a born Muslim. I'm just a revert, a widow, a mother, and a housemaid in Kuwait. My phone that I'm using to make this content is very old. It's from 2018. Old, slow, and cracked, but it still works like me. I don't have pictures in big malls with new bags or trending clothes. I don't buy any gold. I don't even take my weekly day off. My madam asks me, "Why don't you go out?" I smile and say, "I'm okay here." But the truth is, I choose to stay home because I know my purpose. I'm not here for selfies. I'm not here for freedom to waste. I'm here for 4 reasons. My daughter who will be a nurse in 2027. My son who will be a nurse in 2028. I have a daughter who will be a police officer in 2029. And another son who will be a police officer in 2030. Sisters, it's okay to not have new things. It's okay if your abaya or clothes is old, but your niyyah is new in every fajr. I see some sisters fighting to go out on day off. I'm fighting to stay in because outside there's fitna waiting to steal what I'm building for my kids. I have not been home in 4 years and more. I miss my kids' graduations. I never attended even one since elementary, but I will be there for the final one when my eldest become a nurse, inshallah. I'm not perfect. I still struggle. Shaitan still whispers, but every time I say no to the malls, I'm saying yes to my daughter's tuition. Every time I keep my old phone, I'm keeping my kids in school. This is my jihad. This is my ibadah. So sisters, if you are abroad like me, remember why you left home. It was not for the bugs. It was not for the main in the indirect messages in TikTok, in Facebook, in Messenger, in WhatsApp. It was for the amana Allah give you, your kids, your akhirah, your jannah. Stay strong. Stay home if you must. Choose Allah over dunya because one day your child will wear a toga and that's the only outfit that matters. The only gold you need is the dua they'll make for you. We're not just surviving abroad. We're building Jannah. One sujud, one salary, one sacrifices at a time. Assalamu alaikum.